Hello, everyone. I just got my hands on the brand new Norwex Spring launch products. They're available from March 1st, noon Central Time, and while supplies last. And I would say some of them are going to go very fast. So if you see something you love, you're going to want to make sure that you grab it before it's gone. So let's dive in. I'm going to save the very best one for last. And you're going to wonder how that's possible. So we're going to kick it off with our new Optic Scarf in this vibrant blossoms print. I love Optic Scarves. They are the perfect way to keep our glasses, sunglasses, phone, or tablet smudge-free without scratching and, of course, without using harmful chemicals. Plus, look at this stunning color. It's just really a nice pattern for spring. They also remove bacteria from the surface, which is fantastic, especially when we're on the go. You can clip this right onto your purse, so you always have it handy, or even a backpack, right? So it's perfect for on the go cleaning when we typically need to clean those little devices and glasses the most. Next up, we have some new tea towels in this Wildflower and Gingham print. Now, if you love stylish and functional, you're going to want these tea towels. They're made of 70% recycled microfiber yarn, and they absorb so much. Look how beautiful that is. So a lot more useful, in my opinion, than a typical tea towel that are mainly there to look pretty. These dry super fast. They're great for drying dishes, drying hands, and just make a beautiful addition to your spring decor. They do have backlock in them, so no musty smelling towels. The backlock helps eliminate any bacteria, mold, mildew, and seriously, look how beautiful these patterns and colors are. I just think they're gorgeous. So next up, we have a new window cloth for spring. Just when I think I don't need another window cloth, I need another window cloth. Look at that. It is absolutely stunning. So the window cloth is a must-have item for streak-free windows, mirrors, and all your glass or shiny surfaces around the home. Now it's available in this limited edition Wildflower print. You can pair it with an EnviroCloth to have the very perfect cleaning combo. Use just water, no chemicals, and you're going to have a sparkling clean home. Plus, it removes 99% of bacteria, which is amazing. We also have some new EnviroCloths, which are beautiful in coral, blue, and Caribbean, which I think are nice. And they pair so nice with the new window cloth. Let's face it, spring cleaning is here, and these limited edition colors might make it a little bit more fun. The EnviroCloths can be purchased individually, as a trio, or as a basic package with the new window cloth. They remove 99% of bacteria using just water. And if you haven't switched to Norwex microfiber yet, exclusively in your home, this is your sign. All right, you're ready for the next one? This has been one of my favorites for a while, and I'm so glad that Norwex brought it to the spring catalog. It's our Deep Hydration BioCellulose Face Mask. They come in a set of 4. There's 4 masks in each box. To me, these are the ultimate skin luxury for a face mask. They're made from fermented coconut water. This mask gives the ultimate glow. It plumps and it hydrates our skin with 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. And it has a 2-part system. So 1 part for the top, the second for the bottom. So it fits like a second skin and fits every type of face. It is packed with Nordic antioxidants to help protect us from environmental stressors. Plus, it's compostable. So who's ready for an at-home spa night? Me. Okay, next we have the Travel Trio Plus skincare set and this new blue bag, which is a thicker material. It is very luxe. I love it. The adorable blue bag comes with travel sizes of our cleansing facial powder. I'm going to grab that out of there. Our cleansing facial powder, which gently exfoliates and cleans without stripping the skin. It also comes with rejuvenating serum. This is wonderful for hydrating the skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and the illuminating oil, which I also call liquid gold. It really is food for your skin, gives the skin a gorgeous glow. Plus, there's bonus sachets in each bag of the renewing eye cream and the hydrating moisture to complete the routine, all you need for skincare on the go. A great thing for travel or even just trying out the Norwex skincare line for the first time. But I love this. I'm all about the bags. I love the bag. Okay, next up, we have the large makeup remover cloth in this beautiful, vibrant blossoms. I love it. This is a one-stop solution for removing the makeup, sunscreen, daily grime, wiping down the kiddos or the baby, using just water. It's perfect. It's gentle. It's ultra soft on both sides. Perfect for all skin types. No more wasteful wipes or harsh cleansers. And the best part, it's huge. So you can use it to clean one section at a time or take your eye makeup off both eyes at the same time. It is a beautiful color. I love the vibrant blossoms on top of this graphite background. It's just really nice. And knowing me, it's not going to show my stains. So last but not least, I'm really excited to share this one with you. We have new lyocell luxury pillowcases and sheets in queen and king. Guys, these are next level comfort. They're breathable. They're temperature regulating, stay cool and comfortable all night. I also love that they're moisture wicking. Especially at my age, I need a little moisture wicking while I'm sleeping. They're ultra soft. They feel silky smooth against your skin. They also have our backlock technology, which helps keep them fresher longer, which means less laundry. They're FSC certified lyocell fibers, eco-friendly, super sustainable, available in standard and king pillowcases and queen and king sheet sets. I love them. These are going to change the way you sleep. Trust me, once you try them, you will never want to go back to regular cotton sheets ever again. I love the weight of these. They're a little bit thicker, but they're super silky. And not the type of silky where you slide off the bed, just the right amount. I think they're amazing. So that's everything from the spring 2025 collection. These are all limited edition items. So you're going to want to grab your favorites before they're gone. So tell me, which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day and thank you for watching.